Hello everybody, Caroline Lezon here with Grok Trade, a graduate student of the Grok Trade Mentoring Program, and welcome back to our Q's analysis class here tonight on Thursday, July 5th of 2012, and hope you had a wonderful holiday here yesterday, and you're all back to work and back in the game. So let's take a look at our Q's chart and let's see what happened here today. Beautiful run here we've had for quite some time, for quite a few days. 1, 2, 3, for 4 days in a row, making higher highs and higher lows, which means that we're still continuing higher. We are in an uptrend, breaking through all major areas of resistance on our way up. Here, the first one was at the high of June the 20th, which was at 64.57. And the next one up was 65.10, which we broke through here today, but never closed above it. We pulled that down at the end of the day, closing the day below it. So watch that little area of resistance here, 65.10, really closely tomorrow, because if we do ever break through it, and then also break through the high of today, which is at 65.25, and close the day above both of them, we could head all the way up to that next area of resistance on the way up here, 67.20. But what else I want you to pay close attention to is that 64.57 mark, which is acting as a pretty nice and significant area of support. As you can see here, we broke below it here, stayed below it for a little while, and then we pushed it higher, staying above it. So that is a really nice area of support. So pay close attention to that one as well. And then the next one would be those moving averages and the 63.50 mark. So that's what you need to do tomorrow, because those areas are really significant and very important areas for you to pay close attention to. And let's move down to the MACD. Wow, the MACD is still in the bullish territory above the zero line, continuing higher, but it looks to me like we're slowing down a little bit here. Okay, but watch that guy here really carefully to make sure it's confirming everything that we see happening on the chart. That is a really nice thing, and you should become friends with the MACD, because it's a really nice one to pay close attention to. And also look for confirmation on the MACD. That's what we need. And that's what we use MACD for confirmation. All right, so that's all you have to do. And then also check this out. Look, volume is back here again after that slow day that we had on Tuesday before the 4th of July. And now we are back in the game after a little break here, and still slightly below the average, but we're still considered high. We were trading on a high volume because the bar here is really way higher than the previous one. So we'll definitely see some action going here, some activity going on the market. So pay close attention to that one as well. Make sure you look for spikes in volume. And then also, again, what you have to do tomorrow is watch those areas of support and resistance that I pointed to you today. And also make sure you look at the MACD to look for confirmation, and pay close attention to the volume and look for spikes in volume. All right, yeah, so that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a wonderful day tomorrow, and I hope to see you back in class then.